Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming permissions because you need full control to remove a list. Once confirmed, open the Sharepoint site and locate the target list in Site Contents. Make sure you export data or save the list as a template if you might need it later. This preserves columns and optionally items. Now click the list to open it, make sure no one is actively using it, and check connected Power Automate flows and Power Apps before continuing. Next, you handle the complex middle steps. Disconnect any Power Automate flows, remove Power Apps forms, and detach custom integrations so there are no orphan connections. Then review versioning and retention settings because policies can block deletion. Make sure any retention labels are removed. From the list, go to List Settings and scroll to Permissions and Management where the Delete this list link appears. If the link is missing, check Site Policy. To finish, click Delete this list in List Settings and read the confirmation prompt carefully. You are removing the list and its items. Confirm the deletion and then go to the Site Recycle bin to verify the list appears there so you can restore if necessary. Make sure to empty the recycle bin only after a final confirmation. Troubleshooting tip: if delete is missing, check that you are a site collection admin and that no retention label or hold is preventing deletion. Resolve those before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.